Are you Emily Schaefer?
Yes, sir, I am.
Right, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
For the record, court will call the case of People State of Michigan versus Emily Francis Schaefer. For the record, Mr. Schaefer is appearing from the Monroe County Jail. Also present is Attorney David Michael Bogard.
Thank you, Your Honor. For purposes of that arraignment, we're going to ask the court to waive formal reading, and Ms. Schaefer will stand mute, and she is qualified for court-appointed counsel.
Thank you. I appreciate the waiver, but the court's going to read the complaint. It's very short, Mr. Bogard. Ms. Schaefer, the complaint alleges that on about August 23rd, 2023, in the village of Maybe, Monroe County, Michigan, you did make an assault or assault battery upon Tyler Rogers, an individual with whom you had a dating relationship. It's known as domestic violence. It's a misdemeanor. Punishable upon conviction by up to 93 days in jail and or fine of up to $500 plus court costs. Do you understand the charge of possible penalty? Ms. Schaefer, do you understand the charge and possible penalty?
Yes.
All right, Court Letter Narcoleptic on your behalf. This case has been assigned to Judge Horkey. You were to appear before Judge Horkey for a pretrial conference on Monday, October 9th, 2023 at 1:15 in the afternoon. A copy of this notice will be mailed to you. What's your current address?
Field Road, Petersburg, Michigan.
Okay. I'll give you a new address here. Can you repeat the address again, please?
It's going to be Summerfield Road, Petersburg, Michigan.
The zip code?
49270.
Who lives there?
My mother and my stepfather.
Okay. Mr. Bogard, do you wish to address bond?
I do, Your Honor. Just have a few comments. I'll point out that the bond report indicates there are no active warrants. There's no failure to appears. Her criminal case history is pretty limited here. Out of the 5 charges listed on there, 3 of them have been dismissed, Your Honor. She maintains her innocence in this charge as well. She took off her glasses earlier and I was able to see her face was pretty banged up and bruised. You can't see it with the glasses on. She's got some marks all over her shoulders. She indicates here that she didn't do this. We would ask for a personal bond. Also noting, Your Honor, she was the one who called the police. She called the police twice in this matter. No one else called the police but her. She was trying to prevent anything from happening. That's all we'll place on the record for now, Your Honor, but she is asking for the PR bond.
Mr. Schaefer, are you employed?
Am I employed? I had a job interview today at this time and I missed it. I probably can get another interview.
So
I'm trying to get employed. I'm trying. Yeah, no, not right now. I'm trying to get in. Yes, I'm trying to.
When were you last employed?
When was I last employed? 2 weeks ago.
Okay, what happened to that job?
I have narcolepsy, so I've been falling asleep at the wheel very early in the morning, and so I had to quit that job and find something part-time that will work with my schedule and with my doctor's appointments. I've had numerous sleep studies and a few exams already regarding my sleep and narcolepsy. So that's the reason why I wasn't able to perform at that job anymore.
Very well. The court notes that you're currently on probation in Adrian.
Yes, sir.
You have a condition of no consumption of alcohol.
Yes, sir.
Again, it appears that you may have been consuming alcohol. And the next question, so cannot ignore the fact that you have some prior assaultive charges, even though they're dismissed. It seems like you have at least, and then court recognized they're not convictions, but you've engaged in an assaultive behavior before. So the court's going to require you post a bond of $500 cash or surety. So make a phone call to your mother. Hopefully your mother can post that bond for you, $500 cash surety. And once you post that, you order to report to pretrial services located in the Office of District Probation, which is ground floor level of this building. Do you think your mother assist you in that regard, Ms. Schaefer?
Who?
Can your
What's
mother
that?
assist you in that regard? I want to make sure that some family member is able to post bond on your behalf.
I'm gonna have to see. I don't have a sister, but I
Your
will have
mother.
to call my mom.
You
I
said-
have to call
you
my
said you-
mom and my stepdad. I have to call my mom or my dad. I don't know.
Understand.
See,
The question is, do you think your mother can help you in that regard? Or is your mother on limited, is she on social security? She has no income? I'm just asking, do you think your mother can post a bond on your behalf?
yes, my mom or my dad. Yes.
All right. I know this pretrial conference is a ways off. It's a month off, Mr. Bogart. I want to make sure that Ms. Schaefer is able to can reasonably be expected to post bond. It appears that she can.
Appreciate that, Your Honor.
If in fact, Ms. Schaefer cannot to post bond, and I don't know if you checked jealous, Mr. Bogart, but if she's not going to post bond in the next 24 hours, you can bring her back for his court tomorrow, and the court will reconsider.
Okay.
This court will be handling the arraignments tomorrow as well. In addition, so the conditions of your bond are as follows: if you post bond, whether it's today or tomorrow, Ms. Schaefer, you are to report to pretrial services located in Officer District Probation, ground floor level of this building. Pretrial services will monitor your compliance with fine conditions. While the charge is pending, you shall not use or possess or consume alcohol or any controlled substance. Do you understand that?
I do. Yeah.
Okay. You shall keep in front of the court informed of any change of address.
What's that?
You shall keep the court informed of any change of address. So we're gonna right now, you're gonna note your address at Summerfield Road. If you change it, you need to notify the court in writing. And finally, you need to appear
All right.
on October 9th, and you should have no contact with Tyler Rogers.
No problem.
And also the court's gonna order you engage in recommended counseling or treatment, whether it's substance abuse or
already in
mental
it.
health counseling.
I've been in it for a year now.
Okay. Do you have any questions, Ms. Schaefer?
No.
Okay, all right, you're all set. Call your mom, and if you can't post that bond, court would reconsider it tomorrow to something lower, if not a PR bond, to make sure that you are released, because you don't have a court date until a month from now. All right, and if you don't have any other questions, Ms. Schaefer, you can step out and do make a phone call this afternoon, see if mom can get that bond posted for you this afternoon. All right, thank you, Mr. Bogart.
Thank you, Your Honor.